Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorial. In today's video, let's talk about how to fix REDnote app not sending code. Now, there are multiple users who are unable to create an account because of the code that is required when you're logging in. There are several ways for us to handle this. Unfortunately, there is no direct or official fix to this. So, the different ways that you could tackle before doing anything is, first things first, what you could do is you could try to remove and insert again your SIM card. Sometimes there will be some region or potential region restriction. So you could remove your SIM card and put it on again. And after that, you could also try to reinstalling the app or clearing the app's cache. Another mistake that people could have been making is that when you're clicking on login, people are selecting the wrong country code. So we have a really long list over here in REDnote's country list over here, and ensure that you're selecting the proper country code. People might be selecting the wrong country code, and of course, it's not going to work. It's not going to send the number to your area or to your SIM card. So ensure that you select the proper country code over here. Also, don't worry, each country is in this area or in this list. You might be worried that your country code is not located or not available over here if you're basing it out of the letters over here, because for me, it did not appear in the location of the letter or like the name of my country. But nonetheless, upon navigating and looking through my codes over here, it's actually available for me, as you can see. So it's just in a different area. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.